don't got my helmet on YouTube, but the cops have showed up.
Yeah, Winco wants you to leave.
Okay, we just pulled up. I didn't know if...
Winco wants you guys to leave.
What is up, YouTube? We are back with another banger. We're gonna go meet up with a buddy real fast. He's in every single one of our videos, and it wouldn't be a pure RR YouTube video if our quick shifter didn't work. So our quick shifter still doesn't work, and I don't know why. We got the infamous Kawasaki on the R7. She's got some new boots, new helmet. How's it feeling? Oh yeah, super good, super good. We're gonna go grab some gas first, and then we're gonna go down to the city, the big old city. You guys know how it is. We're gonna try to find some things to do down there today. To all the new subscribers from our previous video when we got pulled over in Ogden, you guys can go watch that one if you guys haven't. But to all the new subscribers, welcome in. I appreciate all the support and all the love on the last video. It means a lot to me. We're gonna try to top that video with this video right here. So if you guys do enjoy what you guys are seeing, I know it's a bit early to plug that, but make sure you guys subscribe, comment, leave a like down below. All right. Oh, there he is. We're gonna grab some gas real fast. Grab some gas, met up with SMD10R. Shout out to Kawasaki and SMD10R. We're gonna cruise up there now. And so, all right, let's give you guys a bit of a rundown of what's happening. Apparently there's like a meet and cruise that we're heading to. It only goes till about 9:30, and then they're cruising about another 25 minutes. So if there's a bunch of cool cars and stuff like that, we'll definitely go check that out and cruise with them. I don't imagine there's gonna be a bunch of cool cars though. So we're probably just gonna stick with what we have and then stay down in the city. Let's see if there's any cops right here. I don't know if there is. Bad wheelie. Like, I feel like we're definitely getting the height, but besides that, not really. A couple questions I want to ask you guys as our channel's growing. What type of content do you guys like to see? Because this is a riding channel, but here and there I'll definitely throw in some like ride and review type things. So if you guys are interested in ride and reviews, drop a comment down below as well. I just want to see what you guys want to see as well. We do have a race series that we haven't really picked up for quite a minute now, unfortunately. The last bike we raced was the ZX10. It was SMDs. If you guys are interested in anything like that, let me know. We'll obviously never convert just to like race videos or ride and reviews. It'll always be like, you know, areas and genres of what we have going on. Oh man, it is foggy up here. I don't know if you guys can see this right now, and I think it's because there's this stuff over here, and it's making it all up in the air right now. I hope that's not just the air quality. That would suck. I know Utah's had some, they've had some bad times recently with the air quality. A lot of fires. So, hopefully that's not it. Alright, we are finally here, Salt Lake City. Booyah. Hooray, hip hip hooray. But, we still got about another 5 to 8 minutes, give or take. And then we'll finally be there. I will take off the ND filter for you guys. So you can see it's pretty dark out right now. See if I can take this quick shifter, what? See if I can take this ND filter off real fast. Probably not, but we'll see. Oh, that wasn't a cop. Ta-da! Filter? My filter!
What?
My filter?
What?
My filter! I took it off!
Oh yeah.
Good job. Yeah! This is apparently where everything's going down. I don't know if this is going to be any good at all, but we're going to see for sure. What are we doing? I'm gonna ask these people if they know how to drive. You're supposed to be on that side, by the way. Let me tell you. There's a bike up here. We'll go park next to them. I guess. Bonjour. I appreciate that. You guys are cruising to a spot? Where you guys going?
We're just running through State Street to California Bay.
Draper? I got you. When are you guys leaving?
9:30.
I got you. Alrighty. I don't got my helmet on YouTube, but the cops have showed up.
The 5-minute head start to the most cruising Civic.
Is that even a cop?
Probably not. Oh, there's another one. Come right here. Come here.
Say something funny too.
This is going on YouTube. Say something funny. What do you say?
He said go the speed limit, please.
No.
I got you.
I don't get.
We're leaving now. Yes.
What? Yeah.
Yes.
Huh?
No. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm fully legal. Sir, do you want us out of here?
Yeah, Winco wants you to leave.
Okay, we just pulled up. I didn't know if.
Winco wants you guys to leave.
Oh, okay.
Your
So-
lights are so bright. You're good. You're good. It's for the
Oh,
content.
The runes. The runes are sick.
Oh, thank you. Means good luck in fishing. Done me no good.
Good luck in fish. That's so real.
Yeah,
That's so
I
real.
haven't caught a fish in 3 years.
What do you usually go after?
Bass, trout.
Yeah, same.
Haven't caught nothing.
You
No.
ever bring sturgeon to Utah?
I did. Two reservoirs.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
I'm so excited as well.
5 years from now, I'm gonna catch a freaking 6 feet long.
They're gonna stock them at like what, like maybe a foot? I don't know.
I'm surprised we even had they're gonna do it. I'm not sure.
I mean, we low key got lane conditions. You got a boat.
I'm afraid of water.
You're afraid of water. Really?
Yeah.
You're joking.
I'm also allergic to fish.
How do you hold the fish? Do you have
I
to like?
can hold it. It's just
Oh.
eating.
That makes sense. Damn.
I mean, I don't care about eating. I just care
I
about
don't like
catching
fish
them.
anyway, so.
The only fish that's worth it is salmon. Only salmon.
Wait.
Are you not allergic to salmon?
No, I am.
Oh, you just doesn't
Yeah,
care.
it's good fish.
Fair enough.
Will you guys drive safe, please? Rubber
will.
side down. And I hope you guys have a good night.
You as well.
Have a safe night.
You too. Thank you guys.
Of course. Thank you.
I'm gonna be internet famous.
I'll blur your face since you were so cool. I don't want to do you like that. No?
I used to work in television.
Oh really? What'd you do?
I worked for a local channel down here that filming sports.
Oh, that's sick.
What's the channel?
It's pure
Pure?
underscore.
P-U.
I pay her to say that, by the way.
P-U-R-E.
And then underscore, and then RR. Don't watch don't watch my last video. That was bad. That was an Ogden. Don't watch that one.
As long as it's not down here.
No, sir.
All right, guys. Well, you have fun. I gotta answer this call, okay?
Yes, sir. Be safe. Ooh. He won. She stalled. She stalled the bike. Computer, clip that. Cool officers. They're asking for my YouTube. All right, we're gonna go up to the Capitol now. Give you guys a tour of the Capitol up there. It's like 2 minutes away, I think. But there's usually a lot of bikers that sit up there. There's a lot of cops that sit up there too, because that's where the state patrol station is. Oh my gosh. I almost just ate shit. You didn't see that? Huh? No, it didn't happen. Wait, you or me?
Both of us.
Yeah. That's fair. We're in agreement now. Nothing. That one? Yeah, buddy. Alright, so this is State Street right here. Capitol's way up there if you guys can see it. This is like the busiest part of Salt Lake City. Oh, my balls. That's like the busiest part of Salt Lake City in my opinion. You just have like a lot of the shops, the bars, the malls, I don't know what else is here, honestly. Yo! Scuba! Wonder what's going on tonight. There's a lot of cops. I think that's a cop too. I don't know. Looks like there's no bikes right here for right now. I don't know. Oh, bus parking only. I see. Well. Oh, there's a Supra. That's pretty baller. We're back in the garage now. Our GoPro battery ended up dying on us mid-ride, so unfortunately, I couldn't do the outro like I usually do, but we're going to wrap up today's video right here. I really do appreciate everybody that stops by and supports the channel and all the other social medias as well. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe. It only takes a couple seconds out of your guys' day. It's completely free to you guys, and it supports me to be able to do the things that I truly love to do and to be able to push content out for you guys. With that being said, though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!